Hi everybody, thank you for being here on my channel today. This is such a blessing to be able to share this video with you. It is part 3 and the final video of my countertop remodel. And thank you again, Johnny's Journey. She is the one that orchestrated it and installed it, along with her help from Patty Coretta, Patty A, and just her entire team. And I am so grateful for that. And it was also, I owe a big thanks to her angel donor that allowed it to happen. It's hot here today, so I apologize if I'm sweating, but I didn't want to wait any longer to bring this to you because the counter was installed in February and then my hitch haul fell off and I had maintenance to do on the rig, and then the fuel line broke, and let's see, then the bumper had to be welded to the rig, and then I had book authors and book signings and meetups, and it was a crazy busy wonderful winter. And if you haven't seen those videos, go check those out. But today, let's get to it and show you my new countertop. Before we bring everything back in, everything's getting a major cleaning, and I'm using my Ryobi shop vac to also dust. So it'll all go back into a clean space, but I am getting rid of so much stuff. What you doing, Jana?
Putting on your seat belt, your safety belt for your heater and your propane tanks.
Yeah, it's pretty ingenious. It's a seat belt, huh?
Yeah.
Saying hi to Mama? You good boy. You good boy.
Did you know that I had tool envy?
Yeah, you need to make a list for Santa.
Make sure I get this. Look at this.
And watch this.
So you push the red button and it flips. So you have your screwdriver and you have your drill.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So it's a switch driver by WORX.
Yeah. Johnny's Journey, if it turns up missing, we don't have it.
I don't have it.
Sammy, what are you trying to tell me? Did you come in and go out? Huh? What happens when you go in? Do you get a you get a treat when you go in? Yeah? You get a treat? Is that what you want? Bandit says, I don't know what to do. She's barking in my ear. Where are the treats? Where are they? Are they over here? Oh, I see. Are the treats over here? Oh, I see. Easy. Good girl. Easy, Bandit. Good babies. Johnny has finished the countertop, but Jana has gone to get some of the laminate to put on this part and up here, and then we will do some decorative tile or something there. Ooh, perfect.
Well, I need to cut this little piece off right here and then we'll be perfect.
Oh, nice. Jana, I'm sure you're aware, but do you realize you're ironing a cabinet?
I am. That's the instructions. Can you believe it?
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
I think the instructions said 300 degrees, right?
Yeah, but I don't know. It doesn't have a...
Yeah, my little old craft iron doesn't have temperature control. Looks like you're doing a beautiful job. What did you just say to me?
I said we're all done.
We're done?
We're done.
Oh my gosh.
It's all back together.
Oh my gosh, I gotta come see. As you can tell, my new countertop includes a new backsplash that was installed by Jana, Frugal RV Gal. You guys be sure and go over and subscribe to her channel. Johnny's Journey also has this countertop reveal on her channel, and all of those links will be in the video below. This is part 3, so part 1 and part 2 will also be in the video description below in the pinned comment, so check it out. I cannot believe what a difference it makes. The countertop was lowered by about 9 inches, and so you would have thought that I lost space, but because Johnny is so good at what she does, I didn't. My 2 propane tanks still fit, and my 2 boxes that hold my books for my book signings and meetups and everything still fit underneath there. I lost my silverware drawer, but it's no big deal. I have 2 little drawer containers, bamboo containers that fit perfectly underneath there, and it is wonderful. The other thing that Johnny did was redo my wiring so that my book boxes back up against the wall and they don't stick out anymore, and it's just fabulous. Underneath my desk, it went from 3 shelves to 2 shelves, and they are stationary now, so I don't have to worry about them jiggling and falling off when I'm driving, and I only needed the 2 anyway, and it's just all so perfect. Stay tuned for the before and after pictures, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Did we do good? As you guys can tell, my new countertop also includes a new backsplash. Backsplash?